Black Friday and Cyber Monday are about 1 week away. You can expect hundreds of discounts across nearly every category, including popular tech items. Lucky for you, if you're looking to get your holiday shopping done early, several retailers are already slashing prices, including one of the most popular retailers for fast shipping and a wide variety, Amazon. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Velcase Drone with Camera. Discount: $27, 39% off. New price: $43. Listed price: $70. A compact drone that offers HD video and 26-minute flight time, great for beginners wanting to try aerial photography without spending a lot. Number 2. Apple 2025 13-inch MacBook Air M4. Discount: 25% off. New price: $750. Listed price: $999. Apple's latest MacBook Air delivers strong performance with the M4 chip and long battery life. This early deal makes it more accessible than usual. Number 3. Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. Discount: 33%. New price: $199. Listed price: $299. These open-ear earbuds let you listen to audio while staying aware of your surroundings. A smart pick for runners or commuters who need situational awareness. Number 5. Apple Watch Series 10. Discount: 30%. New price: $280. Listed price: $399. The latest Apple Watch with full cellular capabilities, so you can call, text without your phone. Excellent deal if you want wearable tech with flexibility. Number 6. Eufy Indoor Cam E220 360-degree pet camera. Discount: approximately 36% off. New price: $35. Listed price: $55. This rotating camera captures your pet from every angle and offers two-way audio. Excellent for monitoring pets while you're away, especially at this low price. Number 7. Fitbit Versa 4 Smartwatch. Discount: 40% off. New price: $120. Listed price: $200. This fitness tracker has built-in GPS, heart rate tracking, and long battery life, ideal for active users who want to monitor workouts, sleep, and more. Number 8. Milani 4-piece Iconic Collection Sheet Set. Discount: 40% off. New price: $29.97. Listed price: $50. These microfiber sheets are soft, durable, and well-rated. At this price, they're a great way to upgrade your bedding without overspending. Number 9. Gonex Compression Packing Cubes. Discount: 30% off. New price: $21. Listed price: $30. These packing cubes help compress clothes to save space. Perfect for travel or organized packing, lightweight and highly rated. Number 10. Dyson V9 Motorbar Cordless Vacuum. Discount: $330 off. New price: $270. Listed price: $600. This is one of the lowest prices ever for a Dyson stick vacuum. Lightweight and powerful with up to 40 minutes of battery, it's great for both floors and above-floor cleaning. Number 11. Amazon Fire HD 10 Tablet. Discount: 50% off. New price: $70. Listed price: $140. A solid budget tablet for streaming, reading, or light productivity. At just $70, it's an ideal pick for holiday travel or as a gift. Number 12. Google Nest Doorbell. Discount: 33% off. New price: $120. Listed price: $180. A smart video doorbell with high-resolution video and motion alerts. Perfect for adding a security upgrade to your home. Number 13. Jhk Navigator Liftaway Deluxe Upright Vacuum. Discount, 32% off. New price, $149.99. Listed price, $220. A powerful vacuum with a sealed HEPA system. Good for homes with pets or allergens. Its lift-away feature makes it versatile for stairs or upholstery. Number 14. Delcy Paris Helium DLX Soft Side Expandable Suitcase. Discount, approximately 23% off. New price, $169. Listed price, $220. A roomy, well-built travel suitcase that's both lightweight and expandable. Great for frequent travelers looking for durable, stylish luggage. Number 15. Columbia Subtle Mountain Long Insulated Jacket. Discount, 30% off. New price, $160. Listed price, $230. This long insulated coat balances warmth and breathability thanks to its reflective thermal lining. It's a smart pick for winter without being overly bulky. Number 16. Levi's Ribcage Straight Jeans. Discount, 40% off. New price, $48. Listed price, $79. Iconic Levi's style with a high-rise fit and straight leg. Very versatile. At under $50, this is a steal for quality denim. Number 17. Chi Lava Ceramic Hairstyling Iron. Discount, 44% off. New price, $115.77. Listed price, $207.90. A high-performing straightener with lava ceramic technology for smooth and shiny styling. Great early deal for beauty lovers. Number 18. Play-Doh Barbie Ruffles and Bows Set. Discount, approximately 29% off. New price, $14. Listed price, $20. A fun kids' toy combining Barbie and Play-Doh for imaginative play. This set is educational, creative, and super affordable. Number 19. Coach Bandit Soft Tabby Shoulder Bag. Discount, varies. Soft tabby listed at $395. $358. 10% off. New price, $358. Listed price, $395. A fashionable luxury bag with a timeless silhouette and quality leather. Good early Black Friday value for a high-end piece. Number 20. Lenovo IdeaPad 1 I 15-inch Windows. Discount, $121 off. New price, $279. Listed price, $400. A budget-friendly laptop with 12 GB RAM, a 256 GB SSD, and a large 15.6-inch screen. Ideal for schoolwork, browsing, or light productivity. Number 21. Marc Jacobs Mini Bag. Discount, 51%. New price, $205.80. Listed price, $420. Mini bags are trending, compact, chic, and practical for daily essentials. This is a luxury brand at a more accessible price point. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.